Welcome to our exploration of indigenous tribes and their weather wisdom. In this video, we'll delve into the profound understanding that indigenous communities possess regarding weather patterns and natural phenomena. From sky observations and animal behaviors to the subtle signs given by plants and seasonal winds, these rich traditions offer invaluable insights into our environment. Join us as we uncover how these tribes interpret cloud formations, engage in rain songs and dances, and share their long-term climate knowledge that has been passed down through generations. Let's discover the intricate connection between nature and indigenous wisdom. 1. Sky observation. Indigenous tribes have long relied on the sky as a natural weather forecaster. By observing celestial bodies, cloud formations, and sky colors, they could predict weather changes with surprising accuracy. For instance, the Maori of New Zealand and the Navajo in North America noted that a red sky at sunrise or sunset often indicated an impending change in weather. This age-old adage, "Red sky at night, shepherd's delight. Red sky in the morning, shepherd's warning," is rooted in these observations. These tribes understood that atmospheric conditions affecting the sky's color could hint at approaching weather patterns. Their ability to read the sky was not just about predicting rain or shine, it was an essential part of their survival and planning. 2. Animal behavior. Observing animal behavior has been a crucial part of weather prediction for many indigenous tribes. The Cherokee and Lakota, among others, noticed that unusual behaviors in birds, such as low-flying or early migrations, often signaled an approaching storm. Animals, with their heightened sensitivity to environmental changes, acted as natural barometers for these tribes. For example, if insects suddenly became more active or animals sought shelter, it was often a sign that a weather change was imminent. By paying attention to these subtle cues, tribes could prepare for adverse weather conditions, ensuring the safety and well-being of their communities. 3. Plant reactions. Plants have served as reliable indicators of weather changes for many indigenous peoples. The Ojibwe, for example, observed how pine cones would close up or certain flowers would open and close at specific times to predict humidity changes or impending rain. These natural behaviors were like nature's own weather alerts. Plants respond to atmospheric pressure and humidity levels, and their reactions provided early warnings for tribes to take necessary actions. This botanical wisdom was an integral part of their daily lives, influencing everything from agricultural practices to communal gatherings. 4. Seasonal winds. Seasonal winds played a pivotal role in weather forecasting for tribes such as the Hopi and Zuni in the southwest U.S. These winds were not just a natural phenomenon but a vital tool for predicting weather patterns and planning agricultural cycles. By studying the direction, strength, and temperature of these winds, the tribes could determine the best times for planting and harvesting. This understanding allowed them to maximize their agricultural yield and ensure food security. The winds were more than just a meteorological event, they were a guiding force in the tribe's relationship with the land. 5. Cloud types and movement. The Inuit and other indigenous tribes have long been experts at reading the clouds. They could interpret different types of clouds and their speed of movement to predict weather changes. Thin, high-altitude clouds often signaled good weather, while heavy, fast-moving clouds indicated storms. This cloud wisdom was crucial for their survival, especially in harsh environments where sudden weather changes could be life-threatening. By understanding the language of the clouds, these tribes could make informed decisions about when to travel, hunt, or seek shelter. 6. Rain songs and dances. Weather rituals, such as the famous rain dances of the Hopi or Navajo, were more than just cultural expressions. They were deeply intertwined with an intuitive understanding of seasonal cycles and atmospheric conditions. These dances were performed during droughts or to ensure good crops, demonstrating the tribe's reliance on nature's rhythms. The rituals were a form of communication with the natural world, a plea for balance and abundance. They reflected a profound respect for the forces of nature and a belief in the interconnectedness of all living things. 7. Frost indicators. Frost patterns were another key weather indicator for tribes like the Algonquin. By observing frost on the ground, They could predict the start of seasons and adjust their hunting or farming activities accordingly. The appearance and texture of frost offered clues about temperature changes and the onset of winter. This knowledge was essential for planning food storage, clothing, and shelter, ensuring the tribe's survival through harsh winters. The ability to read frost was a testament to their adaptability and resourcefulness. 8. Ocean currents and tides. Coastal tribes, such as the Polynesians and Haida, relied on the movements of tides and ocean currents to predict weather at sea. This knowledge was crucial for safe travel and fishing, as sudden weather changes could be perilous. By understanding the patterns of the sea, these tribes could navigate the waters with confidence, ensuring successful voyages and bountiful catches. The ocean was not just a resource but a partner in their way of life, and their ability to read its signals was a testament to their deep connection with the marine environment. 9. Scent of the air. The earthy smell that rises just before rain, known as petrichor, was another weather indicator for tribes like the Ainu of Japan. This scent, caused by the release of oils from plants and soil, signaled imminent rain. The ability to detect this subtle change in the air was a valuable skill for predicting weather changes. It allowed tribes to prepare for rain, whether by seeking shelter, gathering crops, or planning communal activities. This sensory wisdom was a reminder of the intimate relationship between humans and the natural world. 10. Long-term climate knowledge. Many indigenous tribes have developed extensive knowledge of climate patterns over centuries, passed down orally from generation to generation. The Aboriginal people of Australia, for example, understood the El Niño and La Niña cycles long before they were scientifically identified. This long-term climate knowledge was crucial for planning agricultural activities, predicting natural disasters, and maintaining ecological balance. It reflected a deep understanding of the Earth's systems and a commitment to living in harmony with the environment. The wisdom of these tribes continues to hold relevance today, offering valuable insights into sustainable living and climate resilience.